You might want to send a snap to your friend, but it doesn't go through. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat failed to send problem. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, for example, you open up your Snapchat application and you try to send a snap to your friend, but an error pops up saying that you can't because of an unstable internet connection or anything like that. So the first thing that you can do is to open up your Safari or any browser you have on your phone. And let's just open up a new tab and search for internet speed test. Now, once this loads, just click on run speed test right here, and this should test how fast your internet is. So we are doing this because the slow internet connection might be causing this problem of your snap not sending to your friend or to your Snapchat story or anything like that. Now, if it shows that your internet is fine and that you have a download speed of 5 Mbps or more, the next thing that we can check is to search for Snapchat down detector. So just search that up and click on the first search that comes up. So this page should show if Snapchat has problems with their servers, because this can be the cause of your snap not going through or not sending to your friend. Now, if that is not the case, just go to your settings app, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and just look for Snapchat from the list here, and click on offload app right over here, and click on offload app once again. So once it has been offloaded, it will show you to reinstall the app. So just tap on reinstall, and that might help on fixing this problem. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.